In this video, I will show you how to get Adidas coupon codes and promo codes in 2025. Go to couponfollow.com. This site actively provides Adidas promo codes and coupon codes. Scroll down the page to view a variety of offers and deals such as 30% off, 20% off, 40% off, and more. On the right hand side, you'll see a Show Coupon Code button next to each offer. Click on Show Coupon Code to reveal the code you can use. Before using the coupon code, make sure it is valid. Sometimes code may expire or not apply to your specific order, so always double check the details. And that's it. In this way, you can get Adidas coupon codes and promo codes in 2025. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.